こんにちは、皆さん。お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Today, Kanji video number 47 of JLPT N4. This kanji means the verb to know, 知ります. Onyomi reading is ち. And now let's see how to write this. At first, this red line, it's like no from katakana, 1. And now the black one, 2. And the blue one, this is longer, 3. And now this is like a person. This green one from here, 4 and 5, short here. Try to write always like in this direction, going up. Till here, this kanji means arrow. And now very easy. This right part is the mouth, 口. 1, 2, 3. This verb, 知る or 知ります to know, but actually it means I will know in the future. 知る, this is transitive verb. It means there's an object just before something を知ります. In the negative form, I don't know, 知りません. Or in the casual form, 知らない. This verb is a little bit peculiar. When we don't know it, I don't know it, at first this yellow part, 知らない. But just in one moment or 1 second, and this is this orange part. This is, I've learned it. Now I knew it. I understood. This moment, 知りました. Just one moment. But from this moment of the knowledge from outside, now from this point till now, then this is the state that I know already. I know it. So we must use with te form and imas. 知っています. I know it. I know it. 知っています. 知ってる. Using this kanji in onyomi reading, ち, then we can say this one. 近く動詞. 近く動詞, it means perception verbs. 見えます. 聞こえます. Acquaintance, someone I know. 知り合い, this is a noun. To get to know someone, someone と知り合います. 知り合います, this is the first group of the verb. 知り合います, 知り合う, 知り合って, 知り合った. 知り合わない. When did you meet each other? いつ知り合ったんですか? いつ知り合ったの? To become acquainted with or to get acquainted with. In this case, we can use 知り合い as a noun. 知り合いになります. I wanted to become acquainted with her. 彼女と知り合いになりたかったです. 彼女と知り合いになりたかったです. Oh, do you know each other? In this case, we're gonna use 知り合い as a noun. お知り合いですか? お知り合い? お知り合いですか? お知り合いですか? 知り合いなの? This word also means an acquaintance. 知人. Let's see the difference between 知り合い and 知人. 知人 sounds more formal. And this is an acquaintance, but I nearly don't know anything about him. I know his name, yes, but only an acquaintance. 知り合い sounds more casual, but we can say お知り合い with o when we want to say with respect. When I say 知り合い, I know that person quite well, but maybe not so much as a friend, but I know that person quite well. Not as 知人. 知人, I merely don't know anything. I just know a little bit. Let's see the degree of intimacy or the familiarity. 親友 is the highest one. 親友, the best friend. And the second, 友達 or 友人, the same. 友達, 友人. This is a friend. Then 知り合い someone I know. 知人 also someone I know. But the top, we really, the intimacy is very high. And each time we're going down and less. A know it all. A smarty pants. Shittakaburi. This is the person who pretends to know everything. The verb to pretend to know everything. To pretend to know all the answers. 知ったかぶりしますを知ったかぶりする。Don't act like you know. Let's use negative imperative form. 禁止形. I've got 2 videos about 禁止形. Grammar number 60 and 61 of JLPT N4. Grammar pattern is dictionary form and na. And in many occasions, in the conversation, we use na yo. 知ったかぶりします。する。知ったかぶりするなよ。ああ、知ったかぶりするなよ。A knowledgeable person. Walking dictionary. 物知り。The meaning of 物 is a thing, things. 知り from the verb 知ります to know. So the person who knows things. 物知り knowledge. 知識 I've got a knowledge. 知識があります。知識があります。I don't have the knowledge. I don't know it. 知識がありません。A person who's got knowledge. 知識がある人。知識がある人。Intelligence. Intellect. Mental faculty. 知能。漢字 meaning. 知 from the verb to know. And this one. Know. This means capacity from 能力. So, knowing capacity. Intelligence quotient. 知能指数. And we can also say IQ. He has high intelligence quotient. 彼は知能指数が高いです。彼は知能指数が高いです。彼は IQ が高いです。Intelligence or wisdom. 知恵 noun. Intelligence, intellect. 知性 and na adjective. 知性的な This is intelligent, intellectual, knowledgeable. We saw 4 words. The meaning is intelligence. So let's see the difference. These 4 words are 知性、知識、知能、知恵. At first, I'm gonna compare these 2 words, intelligence, 知能 and 知性. 知能 is the ability to obtain the correct answer quickly to a question that has an answer. This means 知能 is the ability to process using all the 知識 knowledge. On the other hand, 知性 this is the ability to continue searching for an answer to a question that does not have an answer. This intelligence, 知能, can be measured as 知能指数. 知性 cannot be measured with numbers. 知識 knowledge. This is something that you can obtain from books or from any other sources and can be expressed in words. 知識 is the amount of things that you remember that you have in your mind. 知恵 this is also intelligence, but the meaning is like a wisdom. 知恵 can only be acquired by experience, and it cannot be expressed in words. This was the difference between 知識 knowledge and 知恵 wisdom. Now let's compare 知能 and 知恵. Each person was born with certain 知能, intellect. Then maybe we cannot change it because we were born like this. 知能, this is like IQ. But we can get 知恵 anytime when we want because we can get 知恵, wisdom, through experience. 知恵 is the mental ability to understand the reason behind things. It's the ability to think carefully about what comes next. The ability to make plans and to handle everything correctly. To sense something, to pick up on something, to perceive something, to detect something. 察知します to sense danger, to perceive danger. 危険を察知します to foresee, to know beforehand, to predict. 予知します Kanji meaning. This first kanji, よ this means before, beforehand. For example, 予定 this means plan. Other example using this kanji よ here 予報天気予報 weather forecast. So this kanji meaning, chi 知ります to know beforehand. Predict an earthquake. 地震を予知します。地震を予知します。Let's see some interesting expressions. We can say, I see. I understood. わかりました。理解しました。The meaning is just the same, but more formal way to say it. 承知しました。You don't use this 承知しました in daily conversation with your friends. But because this is very formal, you speak like this way in the business scene with your boss or with your customers and clients. The meaning is I understand, understood, noted. Using this expression 承知しました then it sounds you look very professional. And not only you could understand what I said, but also you are agree. So, 承知しました this sounds very professional and good in the business scene. And even more respectful way, we can use いたしました instead of しました. It means 承知いたしました. This is the synonym, the same as かしこまりました. As this is a very formal and respectful way, you only say this to your boss or to your client and customers. Maybe you can imagine yourself in very expensive and chic restaurant. After you order your food, then the waiter might say, かしこまりました。承知いたしました. In English translation, it's like, certainly, of course, understood, at your service. Wit, humor, kichi, to be full of wit, to be witty. Kichi ni tomimasu. Here the verb tomimasu. This is group 1. Tomimasu, tomu, tonde, tonda, tomanai. A witty person. Kichi ni tonda hito. Kichi ni tonda hito. Now a quiz time with 3 translations into Japanese. And you are going to use always this kanji. 1番目. When and where did dad and mom get to know each other? 2番目. Mr. Yamada is very knowledgeable. So let's ask him. 3番目. 最後です. Mr. Kawamura is an intellectual and very nice person. Na adjective. Nice, wonderful, amazing, 素敵. You've learned this kanji today, and thanks to that, you've learned a lot of new knowledge. 新しい知識。Today's video has been a little bit philosophical, right? If you liked this video, please don't forget to give me a like. And if you can share my videos with your friends, that will help me a lot. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please don't forget it. いかがでしたか？今日はこの漢字、知っていますのし、これを勉強しました。この漢字を知ることによって、新しい知識をたくさん得られたと思います。例えば、知り合い、そして知人、この2つの言葉の違いも勉強しましたよね。その他にも似たような意味を持つ知能、知性、知恵、これも勉強しました。知能、これは知能指数によって、それは IQ のことです。それによって正確に測ることができますよね。知能というのは、答えのある問いに対して、できるだけ早く、できるだけ時間がかからないように、その答えまでたどり着く、そういう能力のことです。でも、知性というのは、答えのない問いに対して、ずっと継続的に考えることができる能力のことです。知性は、知能のように数字で測ることはできません。知能指数が高い人、これはもちろんとても頭がいい人です。でもこの場合、生まれつきっていうこともありますよね。でも知性的な人、こちらの方はもっと努力している感じがします。ある意味、私にとって知性的な人の方が魅力的だと思います。それから知恵という言葉も勉強しましたよね。知恵は生まれつきじゃないんです。そうじゃなくて、経験からどんどん得られるものです。ですから、生まれつき知能が高い人でなくても、どんどんいろいろな知恵を身につけていくことができます。なんとなくその方が人間的だと思います。今日の動画はある意味ちょっと哲学っぽいかもね。皆さんの意見はどうですか？このように漢字の動画、これは漢字を勉強するためですが、でもその漢字、これだけじゃなくて、この漢字の熟語からいろいろなことが学べます。それが面白いと思いますよ。この動画が役に立ったなと思ってくださったら、ぜひいいねボタンとチャンネル登録も忘れないでお願いいたします。そしていつもお願いしているんですが、私の動画をお友達に紹介してくださいね。ではまた次の動画でお会いできるのとても楽しみにしています。絶対に来てくださいね。じゃあね、またね。